Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we start a new series, Built with a Dream. And our first guest, Nick Parrish and his Torana.
This is my 1977 Alex Torana, full nut bolt restoration. Show you around the car. What we've got here is a built 186 Holden. It's bought out 60 thou. It's got headwork and all the little knickknacks to go along with it. It's got a bigger radiator because it likes to overheat. With the Voodoo Blue, I've tried to keep it old school with the nice chrome popping on the door handles and the nice chrome bumpers, and obviously the nice Convo Pros. It's 15, 12-inch subs. Yes guys, I know they're facing the wrong way, but it's all about the looks. So
try to keep it clean, eh? So I see you've done the battery relocation to the rear. What's that? Just to clean up the engine bay a little bit.
Clean up the engine bay.
Yeah, it looks good. Even with the spare wheel, everything looks fucking pretty well brand new.
Tried my best with it. I bought the car when I was about 17 years old off a guy that lived down the road from me. And I've always wanted another Torana after my old man sold his, and I found this. Now obviously it didn't look like this when I first got it.
Yeah, it looks a bit different, doesn't it?
It was white, it had the same running gear. I just freshened that all up. The car only got restored because I did the motor as a year 12 project. Yeah, once that was done, it just escalated from there, and one thing led to another, and basically the whole car just got nut and bolt restoration.
Looks better than the day it came out of the factory, eh? It's not the ideal engine, obviously. Would you go...
The only reason I built 6 is because I was going to drive it on my P's, and by the time the vehicle was finished to my standards, I could drive a V8. So
what's the plan? Just would you go like an old, you know, like a 5 litre or something that came out of this year?
454 big block.
Yeah, big boy. You wouldn't go on LS or anything like that?
I was thinking about it, but I've gone with the old school look, so I'm going to keep it old school. The vehicle's got all brand new interior. Now, the only reason I went to this extent with the interior, it originally had cream front seats and black vinyl back seat, and I just wanted all one to look the part.
Obviously you spent a bit of money on it, spent a bit of time, bit of love. Is there anything you'd change as it sits right now? Anything you'd do different colour? Would you change the wheels?
If old mate Paint Supplies didn't have a good offer on with the paint, I probably would have went candy apple red, to be honest.
So you got the Voodoo Blue at a pretty good price.
I got the Voodoo Blue at $100 4 litres, so I'm WOG and I like to save money, so that's how I went with it. If any of you watching would like to restore a car, I suggest you try and find something that's body-wise very straight, minimal rust obviously, and just something that's a good base for a start, because the more work you got to do to the body, the longer it takes, the more stressed out you get, the less patience you got, the more you start to cut corners. Yeah, it just doesn't stop.
So with the suspension, what have you done with that? Is it just not on coilovers or anything like that?
It's just on standard lowered springs what come with the vehicle. I wasn't planning on changing the height because I was pretty happy with it how it was. All I did was paint all underneath, put all new bushes through it, all new shocks, and happy days.
Drives pretty well for what, a car that's what, 40, how old?
42 years old.
42 years old, and drives like the day it came out of the showroom.
Basically, with the car, obviously I rebuilt the motor myself, and I went down the track of trying to do the bodywork myself, and just as I was about prepared, ready for the car to get painted by my panel, well, my spray painter, he come and looked at the car and said, nah, it's
Needs to be redone.
pretty shit.
What was that? Your bodywork was pretty shit, was it?
Yeah, he said it's pretty shit, so he fucking he took the car off my hands for about a month, fixed all the panel work up and straightened it all out and painted it for me.